Hello my crafty friends around the world, and welcome to another video. I haven't uploaded anything for YouTube for ages, but today I'm going to make an art journal page with this new stamp set. It's included in the latest issue of Cardmaking and Papercraft magazine. It's a British magazine. I just brought home some flowers with my bike as well, so it'll be kind of real-life journaling episode this time. I glued down a couple of pieces of an old book page just to get started. You won't see much of it in the final piece, but it helps to break the blank page. I'm mixing my own paint using white gesso and two different shades of brown acrylic paint. The hue isn't warm enough, so I'm adding just a little bit of this transparent yellow acrylic paint. I'm not mixing my paint completely. As you can see, there are darker spots in the left side and white spots as well. It will help me to create more interesting background, as it won't be completely made of one color only. It turned out quite nice, but I'm still adding some smudges with darker and lighter shades to create some variation. I'm spritzing water on my paint to save it from drying while I'm going on to the next stage. I'm adding white modeling paste with the brick stencil to both sides of the page. I'm messing it up just a little bit because I think it's too smooth and too neat. I'm using a hairdryer to make it dry faster. I'm adding a straight line to separate the wall from the ground. Now I'm going to paint over the wall part with this water diluted paint. I'm adding more white spots as I've decided I'm going to need them for my layout. I'm using white gesso, so it'll be rough and thick. Very nice. Next step, I'm going to start stamping. I think black ink is the best choice for this background. The title for this page is from the same stamp set, Enjoy the Ride. It's perfect for this page, and it's perfect for me too. I've been riding my bike a lot recently. It's been great weather for several weeks now. This is from another stamp set from my stash. Just a few butterflies. I'm testing some markers first. But then I choose to use chalk pastels instead. I'm using them like watercolor, but they're more opaque. I want to have pink butterflies here and yellow butterflies here. They are yellowish, though you can't see it very well here. Now I'm coloring the flowers. I'm coloring them pink, but I'm leaving white spots here and there to make the flowers look more natural and pretty. Before I'm going on with coloring, I'm adding some details with my pigment ink pen to complement the stamping. If you're new to my channel, you can click the subscribe button below this video and you'll be informed when I'll be uploading new videos. Hopefully I'm going to upload more videos soon. I'll just have to edit them first. Next step, I'm adding some darker shades to give shadow and depth to this page. Now I'm adding yellow to the green areas to make them brighter. I think it looks better this way. Finally, I'm darkening the edges at both sides to give my page more depth. And we're done. It's a simple page, but I actually like it, considering it was a quick page and I've had a long break in art journaling. Now it'll remind me of this awesome summertime forever. I hope you enjoyed art journaling with me, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I'd really appreciate it if you could leave me a comment too. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and see you in my next video. Bye!